Novita Dehumidifier ND322 exhibits a picture of contemporary style with its pure white color and sleek outline. Friendly features like auto humidity sensor, humidity setting control, program timer and drainage option make it a breeze to achieve the desired humidity level. The control panel consists of power button, humidity settings, LCD panel, program timer, oscillating option, continuous dehumidification and silent operating mode. Press power control button to either switch on or off. The humidity level can be set according to individual's desire within a range of 40 to 80% in intervals of 5%. Oscillation flap moves from 45 degrees to 90 degrees. Press button once to oscillate and twice to station flap at a fixed position. Timer can be programmed to work starting from 1 to 8 hours. It can be applied to either on or off mode. In on mode, unit is able to stop operating according to timer set and vice versa for the off mode. By pressing continuous dehumidification button, unit will operate irregardless of humidity level in surrounding. It stops only when water tank is full or humidity level has reached 40%. Auto mode is activated as the default of 60% RH and high fan speed when unit is switch on. Press the mode button to activate the quiet operating mode. This switches the fan to a lower speed as shown. Unit shut off automatically when water is full, not placed properly or tank is removed. Remove the pre-filter screen from the back of the unit. It is recommended to clean once in every 2 weeks. Empty the water tank located at the bottom of the unit. Remove cap at the back of the dehumidifier. Turn off the power supply and removed plug before displacing water tank away from the unit. Tilt the stopper and insert the rubber hose to the dehumidifier. Place water tank back before operating the unit.